Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Does it feel like there are bullets going through your brain? Do you want to take your head off and cradle it until the pain goes away? If you are suffering from tension headaches, you are not the only one. Our friend, the Sunshine, has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how relaxed you will feel without the pain. Let's get started.
Massage both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage the side of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Front of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Massage strong enough so that you feel the friction.
3, 4, 5. Both hands tap onto your head. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You will feel the tension as you tap. This is normal.
3, 4, 5. Left hand onto the right side of your head and stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand onto the left side of your head and stretch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold your hands firmly against your head.
2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands behind your back and stretch down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch in the clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4.
As you rotate, please make a large circular motion.
3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way back and look out and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down.
Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.